Hey y'all, we are starting our vacation. Awesome. And as you can see, we are actually in line waiting for the ferry. I'm gonna maybe step outside and give you a nice little peek. I'm a little freaked out though because the waters are a little rough. The waters are a little rough today, and I'm looking at that and I'm thinking my stomach is just gonna do a topsy-turvy kind of thing. But I'm optimistic, no less. What?
It's not a rowboat, it's a ferry. Look how big that thing is. You're not gonna feel anything.
No,
That thing is huge.
Let me show you. Let me show you this boat. Kids are laughing at this guy in front of us because he has his foot in the.
He put his other foot up.
Yeah, they're laughing at this guy with his foot out of the window. You just need some air. Sometimes you gotta let the toes breathe. Wow, the skin is the biggest organ of your body. Hello. Anyway, so this ferry ride, how long is this ferry ride?
An hour and 20 minutes.
Hour and 20 minutes. So we're waiting in line, we're not moving. And they wanted us to get here like a half an hour ahead of time so that we can board the vessel and then we'll be able to walk on top. Alright, so we're on the ferry. We'll take a little bit of a tour. Oh, we're just on the deck. And seeing out, it actually turned out to be a pretty beautiful day. The ferry's kind of bouncing around, so a couple times I almost fell because the seas are a little choppy. But don't worry, I didn't fall. You can go up higher? Oh my gosh. So here's our view. Look at that. Beautiful. Mommy. What do you guys think?
I want to go up higher.
Huh?
It's great.
I want to go up higher.
You want to go up higher? I thought you were scared before. How you feeling? Oh my God.
Never mind, I'm not.
You're not scared anymore?
Hey guys, so stop doing that.
That's what you do to me all the time.
So
You
we're
always be video bombing me or photo bombing me.
going to where are we going?
Connecticut, you know.
Oh yeah, we're going to Connecticut. I forgot the name.
Yeah,
But
this
yeah.
is your first time on the ferry, right?
Yeah, it's our first time at the ferry.
Your first. I've been on a ferry before.
Where did you go?
I think it was the Staten Island ferry. I'm not sure.
Oh, well, yeah. So we're going we're going to go for O'Shea's birthday. So, are you excited about your birthday? Okay, what are you most excited to do? We was tweet. Oh, are you excited for the train ride?
We're on the upper deck, and it's really windy, but it's nice. I mean, it's really sunny, and we were supposed to get rain, and the seas are really choppy, so that's why you see me kind of moving around a little bit. I feel like I'm getting seasick, but it's okay. I think the kids are liking it. We decided to take a ferry because we're always driving, and the roads tend to be a little bit crazy. We're always stuck in traffic, especially on the Cross Bronx 95. So we figure if we cut across from Long Island all the way over to Connecticut, we'll save a lot of time and a headache of just being in traffic. So I think it's worked out pretty well. And this, in and of itself, it's like a vacation being on a ferry. I mean, we don't do this every day. My husband and I, we travel all the time. We're always driving or taking the train. So it's like a nice way to like kind of mix things up a little bit. What are you guys arguing about?
Because O'Shea's saying that I hit him with my hair and hurt his eye, but I did it by accident. I didn't know that.
O'Shea, is your eye okay?
O'Shea, you're fine.
Alright, that was a fun ferry ride.
Yeah, it's nice.
What was your favorite part about that?
I like being up on the upper deck, checking out the scene. scenery.
Yeah, he took like mad pictures.
I like the water guy.
Yeah, he loves the water, and you also love boats and stuff.
Yep.
A lot of people don't know that you were a sailor. Like, you used to sail
for 4 years when I was a kid.
And all he did was swim every single year when he was a kid too. Sail, swim. Didn't you do a triathlon?
I did triathlons every year too.
Oh, excuse me. Closest to me going to a triathlon is me being a spectator.
She did a half marathon though. That's even better.
Yeah, that's true. I did do a half marathon. Yeah, that's why he said he's not so excited. Oh, wow. Another thing is, since we don't check in until 4, we have a few hours to kill, so we're going to head over to the aquarium and see what's going on there. We wanted to try and take in as much sights as we can, but we have a limited amount of time. So I think either way, it's just going to be a fun time. Right, honey?
Yeah. Make the most out of it. Go hard.
That's right. Go hard.
Are we going to get groceries if we need it?
What?
We brought like the whole kitchen.
Yeah,
we brought everything.
Yeah, but we didn't bring ice cream.
Obvious reasons why we didn't bring ice cream. That would have been too much.
Yeah.
I mean, even if we bought the bigger cooler, it still would have been kind of like, I don't know, because it's really warm outside. It may stay cold, but it may melt and just kind of get all like,
yeah, but
gross.
But still.
You see her face?
But still. Or we can just bring the ice cream sandwich.
I'm sure there's plenty of ice cream sandwiches, guys.
Yeah, but still, what are we gonna have for ice cream?
We'll figure something out. There's stores around. We'll find something.
I think we're going to no man's land where there's no resources at all. There's no.
I always have like this weird feeling that I'm gonna forget something, so I overpack. And I already thought of a few things that we forgot, but
Like
whatever. Like your satin bonnet. We don't have that. A bunch of other things that I can't think of off the top of my head.
What is
Anywho.
that is standing on my.
What is your strategy?
Just to go as close as I can to the bird. So that could happen. This hurts.
What do you got, okay?
A bird.
Wow.
Is this corn?
No, that's bird food, okay.
Daddy, what do the birds at our house? Do they eat any food?
Yeah, of course.
What kind of?
I'm not sure.
It's almost gone.
Almost down?
It's hilarious. She's trying to. And she should do slower.
Yeah, you're gonna make them nervous.
You're going too rough. Yeah, you got it. Slow. You got a good run.
Just right over next to me. Please remove all sunglasses and everything when you're leaning over to touch the shark next to me, please. Please do not touch the sharks in front of you. Only touch what's in front of me, please.
I said to let O'Shea have a turn.
Mama.
Touch only in the middle of the body.
In the middle, O'Shea. Can you see?
There's a shark.
I don't think you can reach.
This isn't going to be very difficult for smaller children. Just be aware they need to have 2 feet on the ground. They cannot be picked up and brought over.
Do you want to go? I think my all-time favorite of the exhibit is the
My favorite is the 40 shark one, because we got sprayed by water and it was so cold and there was a wind and it felt real.
Agreed. Well,
My
someone.
favorite was that dinosaur. O'Shea got so scared during the thing.
His favorite is his dinosaur. Yeah, that thing.
Oh yeah, I also like the birds.
Yeah, the birds were fun too.
Yeah, I like the birds and the sea lion show.
Yeah.
I only like here.
The sea lion and the
Really
shark.
good. It's a good, really nice
I
aquarium.
only like
yeah.
the green bugs.
Only the green ones?
Yeah, you got a few birds.
I like the shark one. I also like the bird one.
The crazy thing is when we went in there,
Oh,
it was so freezing in the theater, and I was like, you know, I don't want to be, like, I was trying in the nicest possible way. Is there any way to adjust the temperature? Like, it's freezing cold. And he's like, yeah, that's, what does he say? That's a maintenance question. Yeah, I'm just going to turn this movie on, girl, is basically what he said. But after a while, I could understand why it's so chilly in there, because sharks, they live in very cold waters, right, honey? That's what he was saying.
Yeah.
And, you know, with the effects on top of it, they were spraying us. We felt the chairs vibrating.
It was wind.
It was wind. And it was a smell of, like, tropical pine. It was really good. So it's a wrap for now. It's been a very long day. I am exhausted. Can't wait to get to the hotel and just unwind. We're then gonna go out to dinner. We found a place. Fingers crossed it's great and it's a hit with everyone. Because you know, feeding kids with different appetites, different concerns, real tough. All right, so I'll see you guys later.